Picture this. You're at a networking event. Someone asks, so what does your company do? Suddenly, your mind goes blank. Or ask 5 of your employees what your company does. If you get 5 different answers, you're experiencing what I call the positioning paradox. Hi, I'm Paul, and I am a strategy consultant. I have seen countless companies struggle with this issue. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of positioning, one of the most misunderstood strategic decisions taken in business. So here's the truth. If your team can't explain what you do, it's not their fault. It's a positioning problem, and it's costing you more than just awkward conversations. Positioning isn't just marketing jargon. It's the DNA of your business. Almost like the essence of your business. It informs both your inside out business strategy, what we call IQ, and your outside in brand strategy, what we call EQ. As Al Ries and Jack Trout, pioneers in positioning theory, put it, positioning is not what you do to a product. Positioning is what you do to the mind of the prospect. Let's look at Red Bull. Their slogan is Red Bull gives you wings. Catchy, right? But that's not their positioning. Red Bull's positioning is about fueling human potential. This drives everything they do, from product development to sponsoring extreme sports events and space jumps. So what is the cost of unclear positioning? Well, unclear positioning leads to strategic confusion, constant pivoting without clear direction, operational inefficiencies, wasted resources on misaligned initiatives, disengaged employees, lack of a unifying mission, brand confusion. Customers struggle to understand what you stand for. You have a big perception problem, weak customer loyalty, no strong reasons for customers to choose you over the competition, and you're easily disrupted by new entrants. So as Peter Drucker said, the aim of marketing is to know and understand the customer so well that the product or service fits him and sells itself. So how do we fix it? Here's a 3-step process to clarify your positioning. Define your core. What's the one thing you do better than anyone else? For Patagonia, it's not just making outdoor gear, it's being in business to save our home planet. Identify your audience. Who benefits most from what you have to offer? Tesla doesn't target all car buyers, but those who want to be part of the future of sustainable transportation. Also, people who want to be pretentious and show off. Articulate your value. How do you uniquely solve their problems? Dove doesn't just sell soap, they champion real beauty and self-esteem. Let's take a deeper look at Tesla. Their positioning isn't just we make electric cars. That's what they do. It's we're the future of sustainable transportation. This guides everything they do, from car design to energy solutions to space exploration. As Elon Musk put it, the overarching purpose of Tesla Motors is to help expedite the move from a mine and burn hydrocarbon economy towards a solar electric economy. Now, you might be thinking, but we're not Tesla or Red Bull. That's okay. Every business, no matter the size, needs clear positioning. It's not about being the biggest. In today's world with information overload and shrinking attention spans, clear positioning is more crucial than ever. It's your lighthouse in a sea of sameness. And with the pandemic accelerating the digital transformation and changed consumer behaviors and the way we work, companies with a clear positioning have been able to adapt more quickly and effectively. So how do you know if your positioning is working? Look at market share growth, customer loyalty and retention rates, employee engagement and retention, product development efficiency, and marketing ROI. Those are just a few. So I say it's time to revisit your business's DNA. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and share this video with your CEO or CMO. And hey, if you're struggling with your positioning, drop a comment. Let's start a conversation. Remember, in the words of Marty Neumeier, when everybody zigs, zag. Position yourself for success. Pun intended.